Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the next chapter of a first life book, which is From the Diary of Anne Frank. From the Diary of Anne Frank. Before I start this chapter, I will tell you about the life of Anne Frank, the most important part of her life, the events, the incidents, the exploitations which were made to Anne Frank also, and what kind of problems did she face in her childhood also, and how did she end her life, and what was the need to write a diary. Here, if we talk about a child, suppose a child, whenever a child starts writing something, it shows his or her curiosity, like a new enthusiasm. In this story also, we will discuss about Anne Frank, who is only 13 years old, but she thinks that now it is high time to write a diary. She thinks that she can confide everything in a diary rather than human beings. She thinks that a paper has more patience than humans. A paper has more patience than humans. Then first of all, we'll discuss about Anne Frank. Okay? Before you read, Anneliese Marie Anne Frank was born on 12th June 1929, February or March, the month is not clear, okay, 1945. She was a German born Jewish girl. The right one is not Jewish, it is Jewish girl. It means she was basically from Israel. Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family. She started when she was hiding with her family. Her family members, they were hiding to a safe place, and 4 friends in Amsterdam, and her 4 friends also in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands. Do you know in Netherlands there was occupation of Germans also in World War II. In World War II, what did we see? That Germany occupied Netherlands after World War II. Her family had moved, and because of Germany's occupation of Netherlands, her family had to shift to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany. When the Nazis gained power, they got power in Germany, they were trapped, they were snared, they were caught, and when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands, as persecutions. What is persecutions? Like exploitations or tortures. As persecutions against the Jewish, it means there was exploitation, there was torture against the Jewish population increased, and the tortures, the sufferings, the exploitations of Jews increased. And what happened then? The family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father's Otto Frank's office building. And they had to hide in Anne Frank's father's office building. And do you know what was the name of Anne Frank's father? Otto Frank. After 2 years in hiding, they hid themselves there for 2 years. The group was betrayed. Betrayed means cheated on. The group was cheated on and transported, and they were shifted to the concentration camp system where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within the days of her sisters Margot Frank. Margot Frank, she is the sister of Anne Frank. Her father Otto Frank, the only survivor of the group. And you know, all the family members were died, only her father was survived. Returned to Amsterdam after the war ended, and her father returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find that her diary had been saved, and it was a very lucky sign for Anne Frank that she had a habit to write. When she was kept hidden, she started writing a diary. Her father found a diary of Anne Frank, convinced, sure that it was a unique record, and Anne Frank's father Otto Frank thought it would be a unique record. He took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl, and it was published immediately, and it was published with the name The Diary of a Young Girl. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday, And you know, the diary was given to Anne Frank on her 13th birthday, and the chronicles, it means history or account, and the history, the events of her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. It means in her diary there was a complete record between 1942 1944. What kind of incidents were there? Everything was mentioned in the diary between 1942 to 1944. It was eventually in the end, finally it was translated from its original Dutch language into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books, or we can say read books. There have also been several films. A number of films have been published, have been launched also. They have been started televisions and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary, described as the work of mature and insightful mind. What is insightful mind? Having deep and great knowledge. Having deep and great knowledge. On the diary, mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned, it means famous, and discuss of the Holocaust victims. What is the meaning of Holocaust? Holocaust victim means those who were tortured. Great loss or destructions. Here we can see Holocaust. It means the great destruction of Jewish or great loss of Jewish. Now we are starting this chapter. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Anne Frank, I will tell you what is the name of Anne Frank's diary. The name of Anne Frank's diary is Kitty, Kitty. Now what is Anne Frank saying? We are starting page number 50, okay? 50, page number 49 is not a part of your chapter. What does Anne Frank say? Writing in a diary, the word is a gerund. Do you know what is gerund? G-E-R-U-N-D. What is gerund? When verb first form is changed into a noun after using ing. This is known as gerund. I am asking you once again, what is the meaning of gerund? When verb first form is changed into a noun after using ing, this is known as gerund. And the last word and the meaning, the Hindi translation will be na. Writing in Hindi, I will tell you likhna. Likhna. This is gerund. Every verb which is connected with ing doesn't matter that it is a gerund, it is a noun. The Hindi translation, the Hindi meaning should be na. For example, writing on the walls in Hindi, दीवारों पर लिखना, that is gerund. Playing cricket खेलना, that is gerund. Watching television देखना, that is gerund. So what is gerund? Gerund is verb first form which is changed into a noun after using ing. What does Anne Frank say? Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Anne Frank says that it is very experience for the person like me to write in a diary, not only because I have never written anything before. She is saying that not only for the reason that I have not written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings. The word musing means thoughts. Musing means thoughts of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Oh well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for me. I feel like writing. I feel like writing means I want to write. I have a greater need to get all kind of things off my chest. Here we can see a line. Get all kinds of things off my chest. This is a phrase. This is a phrase. What is the meaning of this line? Get all kind of things off my chest. It means to tell something, to tell someone, private issue or to share something to a person whom you trust, okay, trust which has been worrying you, WORRYING, worrying you. दिस इज अ फ्रेज, इसका मतलब हुआ अपने दिल से बोझ हल्का करना, यानी अपने किसी ऐसे इंसान को सब कुछ बताना जिस पे आप ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं, ऐसी बात बताना दैट हैज बीन वरिंग यू, जो आपको परेशान कर रही है फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. व्हाट डज दैट फ्रेंड से? आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग अ डायरी बिकॉज आई वांट टू शेयर एवरीथिंग, एवरी पार्ट ऑफ माय लाइफ टू अ पर्सन whom I trust. मैं ऐसे इंसान को बताना चाहती हूँ जिस पर मैं ट्रस्ट करती हूँ. इट मीन्स शी वॉन्ट्स टू शेयर समथिंग दैट हैज बीन वरिंग हर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. वो ऐसी बात को शेयर करना चाहती है जो उसे वरी कर रहा है, एंग्जाइटी दे रहा है काफ़ी लंबे समय से. इसका मतलब हो गया अपने शी वॉन्ट्स टू मेक हर हार्ट लाइट, अपने दिल को हल्का बनाना चाहती है, बोझ हल्का करना चाहती है बाय शेयरिंग द वरीज ऑफ हर लाइफ और बाय शेयरिंग द एंग्जाइटी ऑफ हर लाइफ. अपनी चिंताओं को दूसरों को बताकर, किसको? whom she can trust, जिसको ट्रस्ट कर सकती है, वो अपने हार्ट को हल्का करना चाहती है. स्टूडेंट्स, वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इज देयर. Why? What makes, here we can, right side we can see, what makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne Frank? Why? What makes writing in a diary a strange experience for Anne Frank? Your answer will be, writing in a diary is a strange experience for Anne Frank for two reasons. First reason, as we know, she has not written anything before. I am repeating once again. First, as she has not written anything before, and second, she thought that no one would believe in the musings. It means, what is musings? Thoughts. M-U-S-I-N-G-S. What is the meaning of musings? Musing means thought. Spelling is given here. M-U-S-I-N-G-S. M-U-S-I-N-G-S. It means thoughts. E-H-O-U-G-H-T-S. I am repeating this again. Writing in a diary is a strange experience for Anne Frank for two reasons. First reason, she thinks that as she know that she has not written anything before, and number two, it means second reason, she thinks that no one would believe in the musings, in the thoughts of a 13-year-old girl. Okay, what does she say? Paper has more patience than people. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying or this proverb on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed. When she was depressed means she was stressed and was sitting at home, and when she was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, her chin was in her hands like this way, and bored, she was feeling bored and listless. What is listless? It means inactive or without any energy. Students, I will complete the whole chapter within 2 more days. Till then, thank you. Okay.